Hello everyone, welcome to Gofind XR video tutorial. I'm Manindra and I'm going to talk to you a bit about how to access the Gofind XR testnet and then use your Gofind XR tokens to stake XR estate. Okay, so first let's backtrack a little bit. And what is Gofind XR? So Gofind XR is basically Earth's digital estate. So just like you have real estate, which are properties and physical land that you buy and lease, and then you can earn some rent and income from that. In Gofind's XR estate, you have XR tokens to lease this digital estate based on geolocation, and you can earn different kind of tax and revenue and rent from here. I'll talk more about this later. And then the purpose of Gofind XR tokens are different, which is they use in this XR web for building and monetizing applications for the extended reality web. More on that on a different video. So let's go ahead and start staking the XR token. So first we have to go to the web app application. So currently it's on the desktop browsers. It supports most leading ones from Chrome to Brave to Mozilla. But however, you will need MetaMask. MetaMask is an interface, so web apps can talk to the Ethereum blockchain easily. If you don't have MetaMask, then just go to metamask.io and download, or you can also search for the Chrome extension directly. So let's go back. If you and then you have to sign up on our account, on our website, on our web app, and after you sign up, you'll be able to go straight in and access. So first it asks you for connecting to MetaMask, which we just did. The moment you connect, you will see the various plots of land which has been either bought by you. So those are marked in green, and the gray ones represent plots of land which other people have bought. So let's say we want to lease new land, right? So let's go to somewhere else. So this is probably London, but let's say we want to go to New York. So now we are heading towards New York. That's New York Central Park, and let's say we want to buy some land near Midtown Manhattan, right? So somewhere near 7th Avenue. So in order to purchase land or lease land, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is basically mark 2 points of a square, something like this, and you'll be told how many XR tokens or how many ethers you're going to need. So this 50 XR tokens roughly will basically let us lease that piece of land. Now you can also buy them or lease them in ether. However, those ethers are converted to XR on the fly. So actually you're still buying with XR tokens. So let's go ahead. We press stake with XR. Now this is gonna go to the MetaMask application, and it's going to ask you to confirm transaction. It'll be 2 transactions and some ether gas. So first asking for those 50 XR and some ether gas. So we press confirm. So it's going to take a few minutes. There are 2 steps. Now while we're waiting, so this is a testnet. It's on Rinkaby, Gofind XR network, on Ethereum network. In order to access this, you will need some ethers on that network. And then you contact us for some testnet. So the first transaction is confirmed, as you can see. We're now waiting for the second one. Some more gas. We confirm. That's talking directly to the blockchain, following the step 2. So it'll take probably a minute or so, and then our transaction will be complete, and you'll be able to see the list down here, and you'll get an email. So the transaction is complete. We continue. We see the green box for the land that we stake. I'm now the proud owner, and it's been bought today for 50 XR. I can also see the transaction down here. So as the transaction hash, this is a latitude and longitude of what was just bought, the time it was bought, and this is the price we paid. And if you want to see the transaction details on Etherscan on the blockchain, we can do that by this link, and it's stored forever on the blockchain, right? We can also unstake this coin. So let's talk about staking and unstaking. So staking basically means that you will be earning some revenues or some tax share from transactions and advertising that happens on the XR network in general, and also more when those transactions happen within certain miles of your stake land. So basically, and they get deposited directly on your Gofind XR wallet. So that's that you're earning through that route. And if you but the downside is that you will not be able to transfer them to somebody else. You won't be able to trade with your XR tokens on any crypto exchange. In order to do that, you have to unstake, and then you will get your XR tokens back on the same Ethereum wallet, and then now you will be able to transfer them to somebody else, or trade them on an exchange. But obviously the downside is you're no longer earning those revenues and taxes on your Ethereum wallet. The ones that you have earned before will continue to be there. So you can unstake here immediately, or in the future you can just press this button here and unstake. You also get an email whenever the transaction is complete. So let's see. Yeah, we got this email. The email has the same details as you see there. There is a transactional link for the blockchain, and you can always follow up this email to basically coordinate and keep a record of things. So that's pretty much what we have. We'll be making more and more progress as we go on. Mainnet is launching very soon. We are also collecting funds through our token sales, both from private investors as well as public investors. So if you want to get some XR tokens in advance at a great deal, then please contact us. We have some amazing opportunities, and we're building this for the long term. We're very, very serious about this. The team is working really hard, and really appreciate your support. And also feel free to send us feedback. There's a feedback link right here. And if you need XR tokens for testing, then you can tell us again on the website. There's a form, and there are details on how to do so. Thanks very much, and I hope to we'll be talking soon again.